Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about adjusting your schedule.
So adjusting your schedule is sometimes very necessary. It's real easy to take and put hard, fast deadlines on yourself, like, oh, this has got to be done by such and such date, by such and such time. No excuses, right? Mm-hmm. But sometimes life, it's called life, it happens, mm-hmm. and therefore you have to adjust timelines around on you. How you adjust your schedule really needs to be prioritized. And we can get this deeper conversations later date. We've done a lot of 3 at 3s on priorities and goal generations. But, choosing, prioritizing that schedule when you take and readjust it is very crucial to still be able to move on. So say life happens, right? You needed to get a job done by Friday, but now you're not going to make it. You take and you call up your customer, they say, that's fine, but I need to have it by next Friday, mm-hmm. right? By the latest. Okay, say you had 3 other jobs that have to be adjusted, and now you have to adjust those accordingly throughout the week, right? Mm-hmm. In order for you to be able to tackle each one effectively,
mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And still get that person's job done on Friday. Well, maybe you don't want to fill up every day of the week until Friday when you were mm-hmm. supposed to have that job done by Friday.
Yeah.
So that's where you kind of prioritizing. So their job will get priority over something that maybe they're like, whenever you can get to it. Well, whenever you can get to it person may have to be moved to the following week. Mm-hmm. Count that as a win, right? Thank you, God, for that, right? Like woohoo! I got one person that is easygoing, right, on the list. Other people may not like that. You may have to cancel work, cancel mm-hmm. orders and things. Try to fight real hard not to do that. And we've talked about that before. Yeah.
So the aspect that you're talking about of this is adjusting orders and order deadlines. But there's mm-hmm. another side to this as well for adjusting your schedule, and that's actually your daily routine and adjusting that to fit what is going on in your life at that point. Those of you who have a day job, you don't get this opportunity so much. But if you do work at home, you have this opportunity. Roy likes to say, I get to pick what 12 hours of the day I'm going to work. So right now it's summertime. The temperatures outside get above 90 degrees midday. And
so we're sitting midday and air conditioning shooting 3 minutes at 3. See? So
yes.
I'm still technically working, just not on the orders that I need to work on.
Right. So, things like summertime, if you know that it's going to be extremely hot during your shop a certain time of day, then you can avoid being out there during that time frame.
Yeah, and that's just shifting. That's shifting the schedule around for you to be able to do that. But that also means, all your businesses that you go and you get stuff from, everything from pipe fittings to you name it, steel yards, they're not open at third shift, mm-hmm. right? So again, you have to find that balance for yourself and adjust your schedule accordingly to life's demands. Mm-hmm. So that's going to be it for this 3 minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as always, go check out our blacksmithpdfs.com page to find out all about our new merch. All our new merch store and everything like that. If you haven't been there in a while, it can be a great resource to you. Mm-hmm. So as always, God bless you.
And we will catch you on the next one.